In this session, let us learn about SciPy constants. Constants in SciPy. As SciPy is more focused on scientific implementations, it provides many built-in scientific constants. These constants can be helpful when you are working with the data science. Pi is an example of scientific constant. Print the constant value of pi. See, the constant of pi is equal 3.1415926535897993. Constant values. A list of all units under the constants module can be seen using the dir function. So, see, by using print dir constants method, see, all the lists was printed. Unit categories. The units are placed under these categories: metric, binary, mass, angle, time, length, pressure, volume, speed, temperature, energy, power, force. See, return the specified unit in meter. Example, centi returns 0.01. See here, print iota, print zeta, print xa, print peta, terra, giga, mega, kilo, hecto, deca, dis, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico, femto, atto, jepto. See, they are the results. Binary prefixes. Return the specified unit in bytes. KB returns 1024, that is kilobytes. See, print KB, maybe, GB, TB, PB, XB, 0 bytes, UB. See, the result is like this. Mass. Return the specified unit in kg. Example, gram returns 0.001. See here, gram, metric ton, grain, IB, LB, pound, ounce, stone, long underscore ton, short underscore ton, troy underscore ounce, troy underscore pound, carat, atomic mass, m underscore u. See here, by printing this, the result this returns. Angle returns the specified unit in radians. Degree returns 0.017453292519943295. This is the result. See, by printing constants, degree, arc min, arc minute, arc second, the result is returns this. Time returns the specified unit in seconds. Example, hour returns 3600.0. See, minute, hour, day, week, year, Julian by year, Julian underscore year. See, the result returns this. Length returns the specified unit in meters. Nautical underscore mile returns 1852.0. See, by printing this, inch, foot, yard, mile, mil, pt, point, survey underscore foot, survey underscore miles, nautical underscore mile, firm, angstrom, micron, au, astronomical underscore unit, length, light underscore year, per second. See, the result returns this. Pressure return the specific unit in pascals. PSI returns 6894.757293168,361. See, by printing all these values, the result returns this. Area return the specific unit in square meters. Example, hectares returns 10,000.0. See, by executing all these values, the result returns this. Speed returns the specified unit in meters per second. Speed underscore of underscore sound returns 340.5. See, by executing all these values, the result returns this. Temperature return the specific value in Kelvin 0 underscore Celsius returns 273.15. See, by executing this code, the result returns this. Energy return the specified unit in joules. Calories returns 4.184. See, by executing these values, the result returns this. Power return the specified unit in watts. Horsepower returns 645.6998715822270. See, by executing this code, by giving this result, that returns this. Force return the specified unit in Newton. Kilogram underscore force returns 9.80665. By printing these values, the result returns this. Okay friends, this is the end of part 2, SciPy constants. In next video, let us learn about another topic, SciPy optimizers. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.